Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here, Llevante Beach. Let's take a little night walk, see Wagwan. So you've got the Guinness bar here, just closing up the doors, wrapping up.
We're in lovely Benidorm.
Yeah, you've got the K, whatever it is, K something.
Lounge, KU Cafe, KU.
It was very different, the KU when we came the very first time. Because I remember we went to it before.
Yeah.
We went up to the next one, and it was we wanted a small beer, remember?
Yeah.
And they charged us like full price, near enough. And I was like, how much is a half and how much is a thing? And he told me it was like 50 cents difference. And I was like, oh, you just bumped me. You could have just been, I might as well have a fucking hole.
Yeah,
Get a full, it's like, you know, same price. But yeah, look at the glasses here. Yeah, Five Guys open.
Takeaway places. There is still, places to go get some ice cream. Up just in Old Town.
Up in Old Town,
Sabrina,
Sabrina,
in
yeah?
Old Town, there is still
Very
places to get
nice.
coffee and some, sweet treat. But yeah, a lot of places, like the main restaurants, are closed.
Yeah, getting it all cleaned up. It's time to go home, boys and girls. So yeah, the old, what's this one called? People Beach Club.
Yeah, we went
up
there.
there.
It's a nice little roof bit.
Okay, and you got the Hard Beach. Hard Beach, was it? Here Beach.
Heart Beach.
Heart Beach.
But again, it's got that sort of rock vibe.
Everyone indoors.
Yeah.
Well, always everyone indoors, isn't it? Still got their deals on there, which is quite good.
Yeah, sort of them stop at 7, don't they?
Mm. Now, in the summer, we came here a long time ago in the summer. But girls, if you come to Benidorm in the summer, just be careful, don't come to this beach at night.
Yeah.
There is a lot of men that hang around these areas waiting for you.
If you're drunk or a little
They're just
bit,
waiting for you. Do not come to the beach at night. Stick to up there, up into the bars, then head home. Don't think it's going to be a fun time going to the bar, down to the beach, because you're not going to have fun.
No.
Someone's going to try to take advantage of you. Like I said, we've seen it like 8 years ago when we came down to the beach at that time of night.
The Jolly Roger, and everyone's inside.
Yep.
Yeah.
Everyone having fun.
That one, isn't it? Got that
Very
sign
busy.
on, it's like Queen
Elvis. Oh, Queen, yeah. Elvis. So you got Daytona. Looks like it's winding down. Everyone's in Jolly Rogers. Yeah. So it was also when we went into what was it, the Penelope's, the guy made sure he let us know that we can film down here, do what we want, absolutely fine, no one's going to say anything to you. But he said, British Square, just be careful. And we know that full well. Our very first visit, we had trouble in Benidorm. So we know too well to have our wits about us, keep our eyes on our backs, because it's not the other people, the other punters you've got to watch out for when you're a vlogger. It's actually the workers, because they're all up to no good. Every single one of them will offer you cocaine, every single one will offer you pills. This is exactly the same as Tenerife. It's no difference. Right, we're going to go left soon.
Yeah, it's not walking
No, let's go this one. So, let me pause this until we get up this road. Right, let's keep going. Anytime we're walking through little areas like that where it's pitch black and nothing's going on, we quickly pause it and start again.
So this is like the main high street, I guess, sort of?
Yeah, it's a high street, yeah. Yeah, in midsummer, everything like this will be open very late. Everything's a bit more. This one over here is open more. But we're going to go across.
Famous lights and stuff.
Yeah, all the lights. So, got a beer house here, shutting down for the night. Oh, there. That one's changed. When we first came, it was same thing, but it was just more dated. They've now redone it up.
It's quite. If you're with the kids, I guess.
Or if you just want to go and do something, just yourself. So don't ever think bowling's just for kids. It's for everyone.
I know I love bowling, but again, it's good if it's wet. That's something you can do in the
Bowling
evening,
is good wet, is it?
No, if it's raining, you don't want to be out and about. It's nice to have indoor activities.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah.
Like in Tenerife, you go to the snooker hall.
Yeah.
Hello. So we're just coming up to the Bulldog here. It's shut down, closed, not shut down. What we're going to do, we're going to go left and then we're going to go along Bar Street. And we're going to head for our first beer of the evening. Very much chilled here tonight. In the summer you won't need anything, t-shirt, shorts at night time.
Yeah, I've got trousers and a long sleeve top and a hoodie over, so.
What's that, a burger joint over there?
Yeah, looks like it. Steakhouse. Oh no, it's got burgers, yeah.
Yeah, burger joint. Oh.
This is where you get the bus, isn't it?
That taxi just went through the red light. Oh no, you can turn right.
Oh yeah, so you could go the other way.
You can turn right on a red light in Spain, as long as it's flashing yellow. Which, as you can see, look, it's flashing yellow.
Yeah.
So yeah. So here we are on the world famous Benidorm Strip. We're going to walk up here so we can find. Hello.
Evening.
So yeah, we're going to walk up here. You've got Rockstar on the left.
Yeah, it seems like at the moment everyone's inside. They shut things off because obviously the weather isn't as warm.
It's also for noise, I guess. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
keep that noise inside.
These sort of hotels, haven't you? So.
Okay. Just going to walk in the road. No cars are coming, so you got Rockstar Benidorm here. In the daytime, Ramo, wasn't it?
Yeah, the sun was out today. It was a very nice day. Actually got a little bit of sun.
Tipsy down there.
Got my lines. Which is what
Yeah, she got her lines, bikini lines. See ya, Rockstar there. $1 million.
Jumping Jacks looks closed, but that was
Red
getting
Lips.
busy during the day. Isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe at the moment there's more money in the daytime for some of these places.
Yeah, I think definitely the clientele. That's how everyone sort of goes to bed.
Yeah. A bit more of an older clientele at the moment. We're just going to meet up with Jock, Swedish friend.
$1 million disco pubs open. Very quiet there, but it's
Yeah. And you've got the winning post on the left, on the right. Yeah. So, winning post there. You've got the Yorkshire Pride here. Let's go over to the left. So you've got Andy's pub here. Pint of vodka and Red Bull. Oof. That's something to have a pint of, isn't it? Vodka and Red Bull pint. So you've got, what's this one here? Tiki City. So you've got Tiki Beach, Tiki Town, Tiki City. Again, not very busy at the moment. It is just gone 11, coming up for 12, so I don't think things kick off till maybe 1 a.m, but I'm thinking everyone's up the top of the road. Let's keep going in the street. So yeah, I think everyone's at the top of the road. We'll see.
Shamrock looks open and the Dublin house.
Yep. See, hear the music's
See, obviously,
pumping up.
yeah, it is. It's busy.
So you got the Zodiac on the right. But guys, if you can like, share, comment this video, and tune into the next one because we're about to head into the.
Into the heart of it.
So yeah, thanks for watching.